Hey you, check out this. This is an biometric authentication, and if you wanna know how to do it, check out my video till end.
Hello guys and welcome to this next tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you the biometric authentication and it should be with a fingerprint. So let's get to it. Now I will show you step by step how to do the fingerprint authentication by biometric prompt. So we should create this executor like this, and it is for it is for the biometric authentication. So I will create this executor. It's equals to executor and the new single, it should be an executor, so new single third executor, in here. Perfect. Next we should make this line of code, and this is a builder. So I will create a biometric prompt, new biometric prompt is equals to new and biometric prompt. Okay, so next we should create a builder like this, and here is the context. So it should be the main activity of this or only this, but this is the context of the application. Next we should set the title, like title here, or the title for fingerprint like this. Next the subtitle, so set subtitle like an fingerprint authenticate authentication like this. And the next should be the description, so set description like this, and the fingerprint au like authentication authentication description here. Perfect. And the last thing is we should make the sec negative button like this, and it should be the char text sequence as you can see here, then the executor and on click listener. So I can basically name it as cancel. Next should be this executor we done in here, so this executor, so executor, and last new on click listener. Perfect. When we want to make it like cancel, so it should be basically blank. So and the last thing is build. Perfect. We have our biometric prompt successfully built. Next, I am using always this XML design, and I wanna make this start call button. I can also delete this, and this start call button basically like this basically should be the starter of our application. So on the click listener, on find view button, so on button click listener, we wanna create a new biometric authentication. So the biometric prompt we create in here dot authenticate and new, uh, we wanna make this new conclusion signal. So conclusion signal, and next should be this executor in here, so executor, and last should be the new biometric prompt authentication callback, and we want to make it on succeed. Perfect. Okay, I also can remove this, but basically we can like this. And the last problem in this is that we cannot, this is not compatible with our context, so with our main activity. So we should create the main activity right in here. So main activity is equal, like activity is equals to main activity dot this. Perfect. And now we want to create the run. So activity dot run on UI third and new runable. Perfect, in here. So new runable, and now we have full application done. So I will also make a toast message so we can see when it's done. So toast make text like, and we can use the main activity.this, but when it's not this lines of code in here, we cannot use it. So main activity.this next should be the char, so id. Perfect. We want to make the id, so authentication succeed. So you can see the succeed right here. So succeed. Perfect. And the last should be the toast dot length short or long. So I will create it as long and dot show. Okay, so next thing you should do is go to the Android manifest and use this permission. So use permission, out use biometric. So this is really important. And uh, in the last Android Studio project, you should also make a biometric implementation, but in the Android Studio 11, I think it is not important. So we can basically only use this permission and type this code. So this is one thing you can do. Also, you can do it when the application starts on create. So also you can basically do it like on start, and on start in here, and this lines of code basically create on start like this. Also, there are a few problems with it, so we should basically add these attributes to the top of the activity, but for this video is not important. So now I will test it how it works. Let's go.
Okay, perfect. So we can test our application. So I set the on click button listeners. So I click on the button and you can see everything is working as well as possible. So title is here, subtitle, also the description, the cancel button. When I click cancel is basically cancel, start, and when I use my fingerprint, it basically authentication succeed. So everything's working. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope I can meet you in the next video. So bye bye.